Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maria Artist. I am Maria. Come on everyone, it's fine. Today I will show you how to Arabic calligraphy. And that's what I am using. I took a simple book here, scale, pens and pencil. So let's get started. I will first take it with a pencil. For that I am using the first pencil. I don't say much anymore. I drawing art. Always try to pencil. It would be nice to see the video at the end. Art has been made with pencil. This time I will paint with a color pen. I am using a black pen. Please watch the video carefully and watch it at the end. I am using one colorful pen here. You can use another color if you want. Come on, take a look and enjoy yourself. If you have any problem with my video, please comment. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Turn on the bell button next to it so that our video will go to you first. Thank you so much for watching the video at the end. If you like my video, thank you.